Hi. Let's learn how to read words with FLE.
Full, full, full.
Blending sounds. FLE sounds like the letters FL.
Full, full, full. Muffle. Ah, ma, muffle, 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 muffle.
Riffle, raffle, baffle, shuffle, scuffle, sniffle, truffle. Let's review. What is the sound of SHUFFLE? Answer: shuffle. What is the sound of MUFFLE? Answer: muffle. What is the sound of RIFFLE? Answer: riffle. What is the sound of BAFFLE? Answer: baffle. Practice. Raffle, raffle, raffle. I won the raffle. I won the raffle. Scuffle, scuffle, scuffle. They scuffle. They scuffle. Sniffle, sniffle, sniffle. Truffle, truffle, truffle. Did you sniffle on top of the truffle? Did you sniffle on top of the truffle? Good job. Bye.